That's what the sun looks like this morning. Through all the smoke, it's coming in pretty red. I don't think the wind's going to change to where we get where it's going to come from the ocean back to inland. Right now it's backwards. It's going inland towards the ocean. So they call that offshore. Maybe a couple more days it'll switch back to onshore and clear all the smoke out. We'll see. It's gotten better than the other day. Yesterday I went to San Francisco. It was real bad. Really smoky in San Francisco yesterday. I'm gonna run a bunch of calls here. Getting a little late start at 7:02. There's the sun from, wait till you see it poke out over there. It's all red from the smoke. Let's take a peek. There it is. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's all smoky smokestacks. I was joking around with Dennis, H.V.A.C. dude, going. I commented on his channel. He's out in Chicago. I'm all, hey, what's winter? Question mark. Now look who's in a jacket. Oh, damn. Now it's gonna warm up today though. It's gonna be 72 here today. It's 45 this morning, but it's gonna warm up to 72. I gotta clean some condensers. Got my stuff getting going here. And oh, there's a switch that died on this region that I bypassed, and I gotta. There's an Everest. You can see this one here. I've hacked over the years. I put the Inkbird thermostat in there with a relay, so I don't actually run the compressor amps through that thermostat. I have a true compressor contactor in there, but the switch burned up, as you can see. So I got to replace that switch too. All right, here's the first one of the day. Let's see if I can help it focus. For some reason, it does not like running in the dark, huh? There she is. Pluggo. Nice little, get a nice little sweater. Listen to the fans change pitch. Can you hear that? The compressor, everything. Wow. Get some of this on there, and then we'll get the pump sprayer going. RHS. It just doesn't have a light in it. Fits perfect. It'll take care of that. It's weird. This fridge, only that one side has been goofy. This side's flawless the whole time. So crazy. Carrying on. Oh yeah, here's the old burned up one. Box over that one. Bad fan motor there. This one here's got to go too. And these ones were trippy, and I think I left a bunch of spare parts up in here. Let's see what I got going. Yeah, the bracket on these was a trip. Yeah, here's the old fan motor. These ones are kind of oddball. The connectors were built into the fan motor, and I'll show you the H.V.A.C part number to replace those if you ever get those ones. What brand coil is this? An old coil. Filthy. That was the coil right there. My starter. It's a D1189. If you ever come across those, you can use it on either voltage, but it is clockwise rotation only, so, and that's what it looks like compared to the OEM. And we'll get this all rebuilt onto the bracket. Some new fan blades, the A65132. There it is. Let's go get this back together and see what it looks like. And I had the bubbles on there for a long time, and I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Oh, let me turn my headlamp off. See the little bubbles? Watch them. Under the cab. Leaker solenoid valve. Check.